I'm sure you guys are probably wondering, man, Grayson, when is this heat going to end? Unfortunately, not in the foreseeable future. We do still have at least half the month of August left before we can hopefully start cooling down. We had another hot one out there today, most of Oklahoma, ranging anywhere from 100 to 115 with heat indexes. Now, continuing on, we'll cool off tonight, lower 80s, mid 80s. We'll heat back up tomorrow. Uh, we'll just it's a never-ending cycle at this point. I can tell you this much: it's a never-ending cycle. We're looking at quite a long time, uh, just stuck with all this heat. Now, thankfully, in due time, it will eventually kind of start to go away. Looking at your severe weather outlook for tomorrow, it is a where did it go? Right here. It is a level 1 out of 2 for central Oklahoma, up to up there into Kansas, excuse me. So central Oklahoma up there into Kansas and to eastern Oklahoma, there is that level 1 out of 2 risk for severe weather. Very low to absolute, almost zero tornado risk, but we live in Oklahoma. The tornado risk is never zero, but all in all, very low, about 1-2%. Looking at the hail outlook, hail quarters, maybe even up to golf balls, is in the 5% area. Granted, that does not mean it is a 5% of hail. It's just the probabilistics are on our lower side, as well as wind miles an hour. Most likely, wind speed tomorrow for central Oklahoma into eastern Oklahoma would be roughly 60 to 70 miles an hour. Sorry, wrong thing. Let's come back over here. Looking at what we call composite reflectivity for tomorrow. Sorry, I did not fully prepare for this, as we can all tell. Anyways, looking at composite reflectivity for tomorrow, that kind of helps us kind of decide and differ on where storms could and potentially form. So if we see storms tomorrow, as you can see, this model does indeed show storms. So you can see OKC into eastern Oklahoma, starting at about roughly the Ponca City area, going up into that far southeastern part of Kansas right there, ranging all the way down there into southern Oklahoma. If we continue on, it's kind of going to be on and off storms. All in all, the environment for tomorrow, it's not very unstable. It's unstable to a point. This shows hail potentially up to 3-inch diameter. It's really all going to depend on the heat and the surface winds in the morning there. But if need be, a live stream will be started from my page, and I can put it in here if we feel it's necessary to get the word out. And let's look. This is all in all pretty steady environment. Nothing really too crazy. We don't expect any long track damaging tornadoes or anything like that. So all in all, storm anxiety rather on the low part. Be diligent. We do live in Oklahoma. Just make sure you have ways to receive warnings. Our time frame is really going to be anywhere from the 3 to probably 10 o'clock area, somewhere in there.